Good morning, students. Today we are going to read collective nouns. You have studied in your lower classes about nouns. Noun is naming word, name of a person, place, animal, thing or an idea. Today we will focus on collective nouns. Collective noun is one word that refers to a group of people, places, things or ideas. So, let us see some practical example that will give you more understanding of the subject. Okay, let's begin. So, this is a tube of toothpaste. Tube is collective noun. Tube of toothpaste. Then we have a bar of soap. It is also known as a cake of soap. Then we have a tuft of grass. When you pull grass out in bunch, then it is known as a tuft of grass. Tuft is a collective noun. Let's see. This is bundle of sticks. When you tie many sticks together and make a bundle, then it is known as a bundle of sticks. Then we have, this is one pearl. When you take many pearls together in a string, then it is known as a string of pearls. So, string is a collective noun. A string of pearls. Then we have a bunch of keys. 1 key, 2 key, 3 keys. Like this we have got so many keys. So it is known as a bunch of keys. We also have a bunch of banana. Or we can say a bunch of grapes. Then we have got a set of tools. When you have many tools together, then it becomes a set of tools. Again, they are sharp object to be handled carefully. So, a set of tools. Then we have a bowl of rice. A bowl of rice. Suppose I drop this rice in this plate and then we get a structure. This is known as a heap of rice. A heap of rice. Now, suppose your house has got a fencing made of bushes, then it is known as a hedge of bushes. Your fencing made of bushes, then it is known as hedge of bushes. Now we have got a basket of fruits. A basket of fruits. So a basket is a collective noun. When the bananas are together, then we call as a comb, C-O-M-B, a comb of bananas. So these are raw bananas and we have got a comb of bananas. Now students, when the books are together in this form, then we call it as a pile of books. Pile again is a collective noun. We can also call a shelf of books when we keep the books in the shelf, and if the books are in library, then a library of books. So here we have got a pile of books. Now when we have flowers strung together, then we call it as a garland of flowers. This is a garland of flowers. We had string of pearls and a garland of flowers. Suppose we take flowers together in the form of bunch, then it is called as a bunch of flowers. And if we make it in the form of a design and present it, then this form is known as a bouquet of flowers. So this one is a bouquet of flowers. Got, students? Now let us move on to some more examples related to collective nouns. To enhance our understanding, let us see some examples. First is a class of students. When students are there in a class, then it's known as a class of student. Then we have a gang of thieves. Then a team of players. So team is collective noun. A range of mountains. Range here is a collective noun. A cloud of dust. A cloud of dust. A herd of cows. We can also have herd of elephant. So a herd of cows. You can also say a herd of cattle. A flight of birds. When birds fly together, then we have a flight of birds. We can also have flight of stairs. An army of ants. An army of ants. We also have an army of soldiers. A chain of events. When many things happen together one after the other, then we call it as a chain of events. Here collective noun is chain. Now, a clutch of eggs. A clutch of eggs. Now, students, let us have some practice exercises. You can fill in the gaps and write your answers in your rough notebook. A dash of judges. A dash of sailors. A dash of chickens. A dash of geese. A dash of wolves. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you, students.